A little pressure here and the clog releases. We sweep it away and move to the next pore, keeping the skin calm and comfortable. Once the congestion is cleared, a cool jade roller helps bring back.
Okay, now just a little pressure here. Perfect. We'll clear this one as well. That's done. Let me soothe the area. Rolling upward and release. Pressure here. That one's released. Wiping it away. That's fine. Good. 2 more along the bridge. Perfect. And the congestion slides right out. Wipe and we move to the next pore. Easy, no discomfort. Beautiful release. I'll soothe the area with a tiny bit of calming serum. There we go. Skin looks fresh and clear.
And release, wiping away the debris. Now a soothing serum to calm the skin and keep the pores clear.
We start by gently pressing out the blackheads, 1 pore at a time. Each extraction is slow and controlled to keep the skin calm. Once the pore
Little pressure here, and it's out. Perfect.
that already feels lighter.
We'll soothe and calm with the cool gel mask and blue.
We ease the skin, apply gentle pressure, and lift impurities away. Each pore is cleared with care, leaving the complexion calm, smooth, and refined. Breathe.
Just gonna press lightly. There it is. Perfect.
Feels gentle.
We'll sweep away the excess and finish with a nourishing oil.
My skin already feels so clear.
That's what we
Pressure coming.
Okay,
There we go. And it's out.
that felt oddly satisfying.
One more here. Perfect. Now let's soothe everything. Cooling serum going on.
Feels amazing.
Each blackhead is softened, coaxed out with precision, and swept away. Skin is soothed, clarified, and left to breathe. A spa experience designed for pure, glowing confidence.
Just cleansing the area. Take a deep breath for me. Gentle suction now. Perfect. We'll soothe it with the clay mask.
feels amazing.
I'm just gliding the extractor over the pores here, releasing any congestion without harming the skin. You might feel a tiny bit of pressure, but it should be comfortable. Now I'll sweep away any residue and calm the area with a
Warm steam opens the pores as gentle pressure lifts impurities away. A botanical clay rich in minerals calms and resets the skin. Cool jade smooths the mask, boosting circulation.
Gentle pressure right here, and the blackhead slips right out. We'll clean the area so it stays calm.
My skin feels so fresh. Thank you.
I'm easing the loop around the pore and giving the softest pressure. There it is. Out. Clean. A cool herbal steam soothes the area. Then we smooth a calming serum across.
I'm just going to release a few of those stubborn blackheads right along the nose here. Now we'll smooth everything with ultrasonic cleansing and finish with a cooling jade infusion to calm the skin.
Warm steam opens the pores. Blackheads are gently lifted away, and the skin is soothed with botanically infused pads. A light serum rich in antioxidants seals in the
The skin is cleansed and prepared for extraction. With gentle pressure, the blackhead is released, and the tool is carefully.
We're using a precision loop to release each blackhead without irritating the skin. You can see the congestion gently lift away. Every extraction is followed by a quick cleanse to keep the area clean.
With the pores opened and softened by steam, we gently guide the extractor around each blackhead. The sebum releases effortlessly, leaving the skin clear and calm.
Perfect, that one clears easily. Now another just beside it, nice and smooth. We'll move to the chin, same soft motion. Great.
Helps. We'll start with the center of the nose, applying slow, steady pressure so the pore opens without trauma. There it is, just a little thread of congestion. Moving up a touch, we calm the skin.
Perfect. We'll wipe that away. Moving up the bridge. And out it comes. Notice the skin staying calm because it's stretched and supported. One more at the base. First, we warm the skin and prepare the pores. Then, with gentle pressure, the blackheads slide free. No pain, no redness. A cleansing sweep, a calming serum, and the skin is...
I'm using a sterile loop extractor to gently clear the pores along the nose. Slow, steady pressure helps the sebaceous plugs slip out without stressing the skin. Once the blackhead...
At our spa, blackheads are carefully lifted away. No squeezing, no irritation. With precision tools and gentle vacuum technology, impurities vanish while your skin...
We'll start right at the tip here. Light pressure. And that's it. Cleared beautifully. Moving to the side. Perfect. Tiny ones along the bridge. I'll switch loops. Now the calming serum.
There it is. A little clean swipe. Moving on to the next one. Perfect. The skin is already looking calmer.
We start with gentle extractions to free the pores and let the skin breathe. Each spot is cleansed and calmed instantly. Then a soothing botanical serum restores balance and glow.
Another one along the bridge. Good.
Feels lighter already.
Rolling in some cool jade to calm the skin, and finishing with a soothing mint gel mask.
Just a little pressure right here. Perfect. We're clearing away those clogged pores, letting your skin breathe. And now, a cool jade massage to calm everything down.
Feels amazing.
Fresh.
Gentle pressure with a loop extractor draws out the blackhead without damaging the surrounding skin. A calming botanical serum follows to hydrate and close the freshly cleansed pores. Steam opens the pores. With a gentle press, impurities rise to the surface and slip away. Precision tools sweep away buildup, leaving fresh, renewed skin.
We'll start right along the bridge of the nose, gentle pressure. There it is. Wipe that away. Moving toward the tip, another small one. Perfect. Now the chin, slow and steady.
We'll start with a gentle extraction right here. There it goes. Pore looks nice and clear. And now a hydrating serum to calm the skin, just melting it in with light upward strokes.
We'll start with gentle extractions. Just a bit of pressure here. A quick cleanse of the tool to calm the skin and leave
We start by loosening the pores with a warm steam, then use a precise loop extractor to gently release each blackhead. Everything is collected in a sterile dish so we can keep track of what comes out.
We'll start with some gentle extractions to clear the pores. A cool toner calms the skin. Now we'll use light suction to sweep away anything left behind. And finally, a hydrating serum to smooth.
With precise pressure, impurities are lifted away. Clear open pores take a breath for the first time. A cooling hydrogel mask calms and replenishes, leaving skin soft,
I'm using a stainless steel loop to coax out any stubborn blackheads. Gentle pressure ensures the pore is cleared without trauma. After each extraction, I soothe the area and then blanket the skin in a hydrating gel mask.
Targeted steam and precise extraction sweep away clogged pores without irritation. A soothing cucumber mint gel mask cools and calms, leaving skin fresh, clear, and perfectly.
Nice and easy. The pore is clearing beautifully. We'll soothe the area with a hydrating serum.
Feels amazing.
Just relax and let.
We start with gentle pressure to expose the pore. Then the loop extractor glides around the blackhead and eases it out without trauma. For stubborn spots, a precise fingertip squeeze lifts the blockage away.
With delicate precision, congestion is lifted away. A gentle vacuum clears impurities, followed by a cooling serum to calm and hydrate. Breathe in, glow out.
How's the pressure? Perfect. Feels amazing. Just finishing with the jade roller to calm the skin. It's so soothing.
Pressure is gentle, just enough to draw the pore clean. Oil calms and restores the skin. Cool cucumber completes the ritual. Breathe.
After each extraction, we cleanse and calm the area so it stays smooth and comfortable. Take a
Gentle pressure with the sterile loop coaxes a stubborn blackhead free. The skin is cleansed and soothed, then treated with a cooling hydrogel patch to calm the pores. Smooth.
Let me know if you feel any discomfort.
Feels fine, really relaxing.
Good. I'll finish with a calming clay mask to soothe and protect the skin.
I'm just going to ease the loop over that little blackhead here. Gentle pressure, and there it goes. Wiping away, perfect. Another right on the cheek, beautiful release.
Just going to start here on the side of the nose, a little bit of pressure. And there we go. One out, another right next to it, perfect. Breathe for me.
Feels fine.
Good, we'll soothe it with some serum now.
Just tilting your head a bit. How's the pressure?
Perfect. Feels nice.
We'll extract a couple of blackheads, then soothe the area with our jade roller.
Sounds good.
And now a hydrating serum to...
Applying gentle pressure with the loop, we guide the buildup out of the pore. A quick sweep removes the debris, and the skin instantly looks clearer. We follow with light suction to...
Gentle precision clears away congestion, leaving pores clean and refined. Skin feels calm, smooth, and beautifully balanced. Your natural glow, uncovered, clear.
Gel pressure, and you can see it glide right out. Perfect. We'll clear this one along the side as well. Beautiful release.
Just a little pressure here. Perfect. That impurity is gone. We'll cleanse the area, and now we'll treat the skin with a calming clay mask.
Just going to clear this little congestion here. Perfect. And we'll soothe it with a cooling gel. Breathe in and out. Lovely. All done.
With gentle precision, blackheads are guided out, leaving pores clear and calm. A soothing clay mask follows, sealing in freshness and balance. Breathe, relax, and reveal your blackhead free.
With the skin softened from warm steam, we use a sterile loop extractor to release congested pores. Slow, even pressure lets the blackhead lift right out, no pinching, no trauma.
Breathe.
warm steam opens the